So we have our super cool website, but every time we make a change we need to edit it to here and save it and go back to our browser, refresh and see the change. This is a boring, and let's install an extension that automatically reloads our page when we edit it. Let's go to the marketplace and search for Live Server. And now we will install these Live Server extension. As you can see, currently its developer is looking for a maintainer of the project. Maybe by the time you're looking at this he will find him, hopefully. Let's install it, and this will add a little button right here, which is called Go Live. And this will load our HTML files and put them on a local server. So now if I mean our project, and we have our index.html file. This is important for it to be called like this. And if I press this button here, Go Live, it will open our website at our local host and our address. This is very good. And if I take this to one side and take our ed to the other side, and as I edit this I save it, and our page automatically reloads and we see our changes in real time. As you can see, I'm adding a thing, this text, and it appears here. Another very powerful option of this extension. It's the way we can access now our website over our local network. And if you are a web developer, you can directly see how your website looks on your mobile phone or on your tablet, which is connected to your local network. To demonstrate this, I will go to my installation of this code on my Linux machine, and this is it. And again, if I go live from here, I can see again our website here. But this time I can also access it over my network. So if I go to a terminal here and I want to find out my local address with the command ipconfig for Linux or Mac users, it will be ifconfig. I can go to Ethernet adapter Ethernet and copy my local IPv4 for address. And this way I can access my website directly from my mobile phone. I will show you a screenshot right now. And this is very great. We can see how our website looks in real time, and also how it looks on our local phone or tablet. This is wonderful.